Okay guys, now we will be talking about security groups. What is the security group? Security group is the one which we configure it on EC2 instance. Okay, if we go to EC2 instance, in the EC2 instance, we have different settings in the configuration. Okay, inside these configurations, we have the security group. Security basically it allows, or it is the rule where we configure the incoming and outgoing traffic. Okay, so always, all the time we have one default security group, and this security group is by default is allowing outside each and every traffic. Okay, so if we check outbound traffic, so we can see here all traffic, it shows all traffic. If we check the inbound traffic, it also allows all traffic. Okay, it means if we are configuring EC2 instance without our own VPC, so your EC2 instance will be able to go to the internet and will be allowing all traffic inbound. Okay, so now today we will be creating our own security group. Okay, we go to security groups again, create security group, and we can put here inbound traffic. Let's say we want to allow SSH, and the port already selected automatically, and the source is anywhere, which means 0.0.0.0. So it is allowing the traffic from the outside. And if we want to allow RDP, or if you have launched your server in your, if you have launched your website in your server, so you can also allow HTTP or HTTPS, whatever you want. Okay, let's say you have HTTPS with a secure socket layer. Okay, and then you can also configure it anywhere. And outbound, it's okay if you are if you have configured the rules all traffic outside. Okay, so it means whatever it's connected with or going through this security group, so that server or the computer will be able to go to the internet. So that's a very simple configuration, and then it is really important. In the start, don't forget to select VPC if you have your own VPC, and give the name of the security group, Discord 01, and also you need to enter the description. Okay, we can set it up here, right here, as per our requirement. Okay, or it's up to you, and click create security group. It's that simple. More traffic, you have HTTPS and SSH. Okay, and you have the port range 443 and 22. Okay, and you can also see the source. Okay, these are the configurations that we have configured. Okay, the outbound traffic, all traffic, which is basically allowing to go outside. Okay, these are the configurations. We will talk about this later on. Okay, we have not associated our own VPC, so because we are using the default VPC. Okay, so it is not selected here. It means either you are using your own VPC, either you are using your default VPC, or you don't have associate the VPC. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you need to know something else. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.